Hey everybody, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about light bulbs. And some of you are going to go, oh, we've already changed out all our regular lights and fluorescent stuff to LEDs. They're good for years and years and years. Great. But if I have noticed about some of the LED lights, the manufacturing of them, the quality is not what it should be. And some of those ones that are supposed to last you for years and years and years, we've had a couple of them die in months. Also, if, as some people are preparing for, there is an EMP caused by a CME or other reason, all those LED lights are toast. Also, most of the fluorescent lights will be toast. And some of you go, well, what type of light's going to be working? The old-fashioned incandescents. They're hard to find, but if you can find them, I would stock up on them just for emergency sake. All right? So, make sure you have plenty of lights, no matter what type they are, and make sure you have enough lights to last through any type of disaster event. So, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and plant an indoor garden.